Today is our comprehensive revision session for WAEC Technical Drawing. We will review every major topic area systematically and focus on the most common exam question patterns. Drawing Instruments Quick Review. T-square, horizontal lines, guide for set squares. Set squares, 45 degrees, 45-45-90, for 45 degrees lines, 30-60-90 for 30 degrees and 60 degrees lines. Together they can draw 15 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees, 75 degrees, 90 degrees. Compass, circles and arcs. Dividers, measuring and transferring distances, dividing lines. Protractor, measuring angles. Scales, measuring to scale. French curves, smooth non-circular curves. Line types, the complete list. 1. Continuous thick, visible outlines. 2. Continuous thin, dimension lines, extension lines, hatching, section lines. 3. Short dashes thin, hidden detail. 4. Chain, long short center lines, pitch circles. 5. Chain thick, cutting plane line. 6. Irregular thin, break lines. Pencil grades, for H, 2H for construction, HBB for outlines. Scales, 1:1 equals full size, 2:1 equals twice actual, 1:2 equals half actual. Key geometric constructions. Bisect line, equal arcs from both endpoints, join intersections. Bisect angle, arc from vertex cuts both arms, equal arcs from arm cuts join. Perpendicular at point on line, equal arcs on line, arcs above join. Perpendicular from external point, arc from point cuts line, arcs below join. Regular hexagon, circle of radius equals side, step of 6 times around. Regular pentagon, semicircle be divided into 5, line through second point gives adjacent side, circumscribe circle and step off. Orthographic projection. First angle, used in Nigeria and WAEC plan below FE, view from left goes right. 3 views, FE, plan, EE. Mitre line at 45 degrees transverse plan depths to EE widths. Hidden lines, dashed, center lines, chain. Pictorial. Isometric, 30 degrees receding axis, true length on axis, circles become ellipses, for center method. Oblique cavalier, front in true shape, receding at 45 degrees, full length. Oblique cabinet, front in true shape, receding at 45 degrees, half length, more realistic. Sections. Full, half, local, removed sections. Hatch at 45 degrees, equally spaced, same component same direction. Do not hatch, shafts, bolts, nuts, ribs, spokes, keys. Conic sections. Circle, plane perpendicular to axis. Ellipse, sum of distances from any point to two foci equals constant. Draw by tremor of Nicomedes method, or concentric circles. Parabola, equidistant from focus and directrix. Construct by locus, parallel lines plus arcs from focus. Hyperbola, difference of distances from two foci equals constant. Engineering curves. Cycloid, point on rim of rolling circle, construct by dividing circle and baseline into equal parts. Involute, unwinding string from base circle, tangent points method. Archimedean spiral, constant outward rate and constant angular rate. Developments. Prism/cylinder, parallel line method. Cylinder lateral surface equals rectangle width pi d, height h. Cone/pyramid, radial line method. Cone development equals sector, angle equals r/l times 360 degree. Building drawing. Floor plan, horizontal section, shows rooms, walls, doors, windows. Elevation, external wall view. Section, vertical cut. Common scales, 150, 1:100. North arrow essential. Gears, 3 circles, addendum, thick, pitch, chain, dedendum, thin. Module equals PCD/number of teeth. Technical drawing is a discipline of precision, patience, and systematic thinking. These skills transfer directly to engineering, architecture, manufacturing, design, and construction. For the WAEC examination, arrive early, bring complete instrument set, compass, set squares, T-square, ruler, protractor, pencils H and HB, eraser, pencil sharpener. Begin with the easiest questions to build confidence. Work methodically, do not rush, accuracy matters more than speed. Show all construction lines. Check dimensions match the given data. Leave time for review. You have covered all the major topics. You are prepared. Go in with confidence and produce your best work. Remember, every building you see was once a drawing. Every machine started as a sketch. Technical drawing is where ideas become reality. Good luck in your WAEC examination.